Hello students, good morning. Before going to solve the problem, I will briefly describe the bisection method. See the figure. This is O is the origin and OX is the x-axis and OY. This is the y-axis. And let y is equal to fx. And this is the curve. And A and B are two. A is a point on the x-axis and B is the point on the x-axis. And this is the interval. Bisection method is a method by which, after getting the initial approximation, we can divide the interval into sub-intervals to obtain very closer accurate root. So, this method consists in locating the root of the equation fx equal to 0 between a and b. If fx is equal to 0. If fx is continuous between a and b, then fa and fb are of opposite signs. Then there is a root between a and b. For definiteness, if fa taking x is equal to a, fa is negative and fb taking x is equal to b is positive, then the first approximation to the root is x1 is equal to a plus b by 2. The first approximation to the root. This is the first approximation to the root. The first approximation to the root. The first approximation to the root is x1, which is equal to a plus b by 2 if fa is negative and fb is positive. Then if fx1 is equal to 0, then x1 is a root of the equation fx is equal to 0, because x1 satisfies the equation fx is equal to 0. If we put x1 in place of x, then we get fx1 is equal to 0. Then x1 is a root of the equation. X1 is a root of fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. Otherwise, the root lies between a and x1. And x1 or x1 and b, as per according as if x1 is positive or negative. If fx1 is positive, this is the x1 is equal to a plus b by 2. If we put this value in y equal to fx, so we get fx1 is positive. If fx1 is positive, then the root lies between a and x1. So or if fx1 is negative, then the root lies between x1 and b, because if fx1 is positive, the next value negative is fa is negative. So fa is negative and fx1 is positive. So always we see negative positive. So x2 is equal to, if fx1 is positive, x2 is equal to a plus x1 divided by 2. If fx1 is positive. If fx1 is positive. Then if fx2, we get x2, the root. Second approximation to the root is x2. So if f(x2) is if f(x2) is negative, if f(x2) is negative, then the root lies between x1 and x2. Why? f(x2) is negative, the next positive is f(x1) is positive. So the root lies between x1 and x2. So the third approximation is x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So similarly, we continue this process till we obtain the root to the desired accuracy. This is the bisection method. That is, the interval is subdivided and continue this process to get a root closer to the desired accuracy. So let us find the problem. Let us find the problem. Find a root of the equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0 using bisection method in 4 stages.